Professionally applied complete automatic transmission fluid service provides several benefits above and beyond a simple drain and fill. Penray offers a two-step transmission tune-up kit. Penray 6537. When properly installed, this service removes old fluid and system contaminants from the entire transmission, adds new fluid, along with a supplement that improves quality and function of new transmission fluid, as well as adding protection for gears and other components in the transmission. The first step is inspecting the vehicle's transmission fluid to determine if a service is necessary. A fluid test kit may be used. Transmission service is performed by adding Penray 6533 automatic transmission flush to the transmission. Add 6533 to a dipstick tube or a fill plug if the vehicle does not have a tube. Penray 6533 automatic transmission flush is a safe and effective way to remove deposits and contamination from the transmission without the addition of harsh solvents or detergents. Run the vehicle for 10 minutes. Some vehicles should be run in neutral to ensure the flush solution circulates through the entire transmission. Check with the manufacturer's manual for specific vehicle requirements. The flush solution optimizes contamination removal during the fluid exchange process by dispersing and suspending particles. When the flush step is complete, connect a transmission fluid exchanger to replace the old fluid and remove contaminated flush solution. This exchanger can be connected in line with the cooler or operated in the dipstick mode, whichever is easiest for the service technician. Because this particular vehicle has a dipstick and the cooler lines are difficult to reach, we'll perform the service in the dipstick mode. Locate and remove the dipstick. Check and note the fluid level. You may need to make adjustments to the fluid level at the end of the service. Measure the dipstick with the provided dipstick tube and insert the tube with the length of the dipstick. Select dipstick service from the menu and arrow to the quantity of the fluid to be exchanged. We recommend exchanging 1.2 times the transmission's total fill capacity. With the engine off, press start and let the machine work. Once the fluid is exchanged and the exchange machine is disconnected, add Penray 6536 Universal ATF Protector to the new fluid. This product is specially formulated with advanced synthetic technology to be used as protectant for all ATF types except CVT transmissions. Penray 6536 Universal ATF Protector provides extra lubrication and anti-wear additives to protect the mechanical parts of your transmission. Do a final test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. In summary, this process has flushed, filled, and conditioned the transmission. The benefits of transmission fluid service include improved shifting, better protection of internal transmission parts, and reduced load on the engine.